Hi. It's been forever since I have filmed a YouTube video, so I've filmed this intro about 100 times now. I have a 3-year-old. She hears me talking to the camera and she keeps running in, so I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into this video. I did use the colourpop fade into hue palette, so if you want to see how I created this little look, then just keep watching. Okay, I hope that that wasn't completely terrible. I will work on getting the setup a bit better, and hopefully the more that I talk to the camera, I get a bit more used to it again. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, and I'll see you in the next one.